Hello and welcome to my channel Code Sanskriti. Let's learn about comments in Python. First, let's try to understand why we need comments in our programs. Using comments, we can explain our code by adding meaningful description to our program. Comments also makes our code more readable by adding important information to our code. Comments improve the maintainability of our program by adding relevant description important for maintenance. Commenting code out to prevent its execution helps a lot during development and debugging the code. Python provides two ways of adding comments to our program: adding single line of comment and adding multiple lines of comments. When we add the character hash in any line in a Python program, then Python treats the rest of that single line as comment, as shown in these two single line comment examples. Multiple line comments can be introduced by enclosing the comment lines within triple ticks. Each tick can be single quote or double quote symbol. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next lesson. Bye for now.